Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to find exactly what you need in Evernote, whether it's a specific note, an attached file, or something you want quick access to. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your notes and notebooks displayed. Now, let's say you're looking for a specific note buried somewhere in your collection. In the upper left corner of your screen, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. This is your gateway to finding anything stored in Evernote quickly. For example, if you're trying to locate notes from a meeting, simply type the word or phrase meeting into the search bar and press enter. Evernote will instantly scan through all your notes and display every matching result that contains that keyword. You'll see a list of notes pop up on your screen. From here, just click on any note to open it and view its full content. This feature is incredibly useful when you have hundreds of notes and need to find something specific without scrolling endlessly. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can also search for files that you've attached to your notes. Let's say you remember attaching a PDF document or an image to one of your notes but can't recall which one. In the search bar, type the file type you're looking for, such as PDF, video, or image, depending on what you attached. Press enter, and Evernote will show you all the notes containing that type of attachment. Click on any result from the list to open that particular note and access your file. This makes managing and retrieving documents incredibly efficient. Now, if there are certain notes you access frequently, you can add them to shortcuts for even faster access. In the upper right corner of your screen, click on the three dotted lines to open a menu. From the options that appear, select Add to Shortcuts. This action places the note in your Shortcuts section, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. After you've added a note to Shortcuts, head over to the left sidebar of your Evernote interface. You'll now see your note listed in the Shortcuts section, allowing you to open it with just one click anytime. This feature is perfect for keeping your most important or frequently referenced notes right at your fingertips. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently search for notes and files in Evernote and organize your most important content using shortcuts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.